Hey traders, my name's Logan and I love trading. For me to tell you what I see coming up, I need to describe quickly what happened yesterday and then show you how the market responded in order to motivate what I see coming up next. Yesterday, the bulls had control of liquidity and the market structure. They had everything. So today, the question was, can the bulls get sampled and continue to pump that bullish structure in their favor? So let me show you how that played out today, and then after, I can tell you what I see coming up next. Now, the first chart to look at is tension. This is a market structure tool. You can see that this is day 2. They kept it up. So the bulls, they did it again, and we have bullish trending structure. And this is day 2. Now we need to see if the bulls were sampled and active. And we're going to look at velocity here to do that. Right here we had a sample of the bulls, and you can see it took them a minute, but they bought it up. And again, right here we had a sample of the bulls, and you can see, yes, they bought it up. So now let's look and see if they impacted the broad market. Well, the first time they were sampled was here, and yes, they impacted. And the second time was here, yes, they impacted. So both times they were buying up liquidity and impacting the broad market. What about the bears? Well, we had a very difficult to read section right here where the bears did get sampled. And looking down at decay, you can see that their timing is about here, again here. Now let's look at tension to see if they were impacting the broad market. And no, they didn't. So again, just like yesterday, the bears failed to impact the broad market structure. But the bulls, on the other hand, were buying up liquidity. So I expect this to continue. If the bulls continue to buy up liquidity, I expect tension to stay above 0 a third day. It'll be important that you keep your eye on the bulls and the bears. If the bulls drop the ball and don't buy up liquidity, that could quickly motivate the bears. If that happens, I would expect the bears to start moving this down, looking to get it as close to 0 as they can. So, going into tomorrow, I will be bullish. The bulls have controlled liquidity, impacted tension, and the bears, well, they failed. There was a good short trade for those of you who are following, but it didn't have to do with liquidity and impacting the broad market. It had to do with something else. So going into tomorrow, I will be bullish. Now, if you like this kind of analysis and you want to see more, shoot me a message and I'll invite you to my Discord room. I'd love to have you in there. It's free, and we have a whole room of traders who love to walk through this type of analysis and lots of kinds. Thank you so much for showing up to watch this video. I put these out every day of the week. What's my goal? I want to provide an easy, accessible, reliable narrative for all types of traders in the market. I hope this helped you in some way today. As always, good luck trading.